Hello dear students. In this video we will take up another important cell organelle which is known as lysosomes. We know that lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. Why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags we will discuss afterwards. First of all we will talk about the general information which are related to the lysosomes. Basically the lysosomes discovered by Christian Dediu in liver cells, and lysosomes are found in all types of eukaryotic cells, but lysosomes are not found in fungus, for example yeast. They are not found in euglena and mature mammalian RBCs. Number of lysosomes are more in those cells which have more intracellular digestion. In, for example, WBCs. We know that WBCs are also known as soldier of the bodies. They trap or kill the all types of pathogens those entered in our body, and they engulf them with the help of process which is known as phagocytosis. So that's why the number of lysosomes are more in these WBCs which have got extra intracellular digestion. Now shape, always they are found in a spherical shape, and lysosome have got two types of things. First, their outer membrane which is present, and apart from that their matrix which is full of different types of enzymes. Now, types of lysosomes on the based on nature of matrix. Which matrix is present in the lysosome, their nature is different. Lysosomes are polymorphic organelles. What is the meaning of polymorphic organelles? Because they are found in multiple forms. यानी जो लाइसोसोम्स होते हैं वो अलग अलग प्रकार के होते हैं, इसलिए उनका जो अलग अलग तरीके से पाया जाना, टाइप्स में पाया जाना, वो कहलाता है पॉलीमॉर्फिक ऑर्गेनेल्स की कैटेगरी में आता है. नाउ हेयर वी हैव द टाइप्स ऑफ लाइसोसोम्स. फर्स्ट, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्सरी. क्लियर? Primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, and tertiary lysosomes. First of all, we will discuss there. Primary lysosomes have inactive hydrolytic enzymes. Secondary lysosomes have active hydrolytic enzymes. And tertiary lysosomes, which is also known as residual bodies, they have and they contain undigested materials. These three, primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, and tertiary lysosome, these all three types of lysosomes are also known as heterophagosomes. Why they are known as heterophagosomes? Because they play a very important role to digest the food from pathogens. Because they play a very important role to digest the all types of pathogens. That's why they are known as heterophagosomes. Now, four types of lysosome is known as autophagosomes. What is the meaning of autophagosome? Autophagosome is also known as autolysosomes and suicidal bag. Basically, the autophagosome is known as the suicidal bag. What is the main work of the autophagosome? Autophagosome type of lysosomes, they help in digestion of waste material which are present in internal structure, and also digest the cell also. It means these all types of autophagosomes, lysosomes, they play a very important role to digest the different types of internal material which is present in inner part of the cell. Because we know that these autophagosomes have got uh, different types of digestive enzymes, and these hydrolytic digestive enzymes also play a very important role to digest the different types of things which are present in inner part of the cell. Apart from that, they also play a very important role to digest their own cell also. That's why the lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags. Clear? Now, which types of enzymes are present in it? These enzymes are known as proteases, nucleases, glycosidases, esterases, phosphatases, and sulfatases. Proteases, it digests the protein. Nucleases, it digests the DNA and RNA. Glycosidases, it also digests the glycogen. Esterases break down the ester bonds. Phosphatases, it digests the or break down the phosphate bonds. Apart from that, the sulfatases, it break down the sulfide bonds. Now the important and the basic function of the lysosomes. Lysosome play a very important role in heterophagy. Heterophagy means digestion of food from outside. It also play a very important role in autophagy. Autophagy means digestion of reserve food material. It also play a very important role in autolysis. Autolysis means breakdown of cells. Breakdown of cells. It also play a very important role, all types of lysosomes, they destroy carcinogenic materials which are present in our body. Carcinogen materials means the material which responsible for the cancer particles. They are known or toxic substances. Lysosomes, they also destroy these carcinogenic materials. And lysosomes also help in defense our cell or our body. This whole explanation is related to the lysosomes.